Og ég sagði bara að ég er bara 3 nótur í þessu. Þannig að það er ekki erfiðar. Þetta lag er sem sagt samið af John Lennon og Yoko Ono og þetta heitir The Ballad of John and Yoko. Mjög flókið nafn, sko. Þetta er nokkur erindi, sko. Ég held ég taki bara eitt, það er svo gaman. Herri, ok. Byrja á fyrstu lókinni? Já. Hún hljómar svona, sko. Ok. Standing in the dark in Southampton, trying to get to Holland to France. The man in the Mac said, we wish you success. Æ, fyrir ekki, ég ruggla alveg fyrst með The man in the Mac said, you better go back. You know they didn't even give us a chance. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it could be. The way things are going, you're gonna crucify me. Finally made the plane into Paris. Honeymoon and down by the sea. Peter Brown called to say, you can make it okay. You can get married in Gibraltar near Spain. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it could be. The way things are going, you're gonna crucify me. Drove from Paris to the Amsterdam Hill, talking in our beds for a week. The news people said, say what you're doing in bed. I said, we're only trying to get us a piece. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it could be. The way things are going, you're gonna crucify me. Saving all your money for a rainy day, giving all your clothes to charity. One day their wife said, oh boy, when you're dead, you're gonna have nothing left but your soul. Made a light your trip to Vienna, eating chocolate cake in the bag. Hvað kom síðan? Þetta er svo flókið. Þetta sko, alltaf þetta fyrir alltaf yfir. Af hverju þetta yfir? Þá bara skell ég mér í næsta afganga. Hvernig var þetta líka? Það var alveg bara mér. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it be. The way things are going, you're gonna crucify me. Finally made it back into London. 50 acres tied in the sack. The man from the purse said, we wish you success. It's good to have the both of you back. Christ, you know it ain't easy. You know how hard it could be. The way things are